So hey guys, we're back with the 52 Ford gasser project. We have the 393 in there. It's bolted in, C6 transmission. We got it back a couple weeks ago, and on the last video we kind of did some assembly on it. So it's not all buttoned up right now. We have still waiting on the hardened push rods to come in, but at least got it all mocked up in there and everything. So we can put those push rods and rocker arms inside the engine bay. It's not a big deal. Edelbrock 750 GM HEI style distributor. Right now I'm kind of mocking up the fan and the front bracket, hood bracket type situation going on here. It looks like I went ahead and ordered a Mustang radiator, aluminum 3-core radiator, like for a 69 Mustang with the 351 in it. And it says it's about 2 inches, and right now we have, I don't know, approximately 4 or 5 inches right here. So it should fit. I've been told from the Facebook groups and everything that since this was a flathead V8 car originally, this rear gravel pan, this lower gravel pan needs to be cut out for the radiator. The 6 cylinders were like that, but the V8s weren't, so not a big deal. We'll take care of that once we get the radiator in to mock it up. And we probably won't be using this fan, but I just wanted to see what kind of room we had. Another thing we might want to do is this was out of a van. This engine was out of a van originally, so the oil dipstick and the transmission dipstick comes way out here. Probably going to snip this off somewhere once I mock up the headers on here to see where we can get it, and then just remark the dipstick. I don't think that's going to be a problem. Definitely the transmission dipstick over here, which is not in there right now obviously, but it's way out here somewhere next to the battery. So what we'll do is we'll just again push that back and cut it off and make it not a big deal. So yeah, well, thanks for watching these videos. If you guys have any questions, we're getting closer. We were waiting on the paint just for it to warm up a little bit, and wanted to get the engine and everything all taken care of so we're not leaning over the new painted fenders and everything. But it's coming together. Hopefully in the next few videos we'll be a lot further along. Again, thanks for watching. All right, we're going to see if we can go ahead and slide the 351. We got the transmission hooked up to it into the 52 Ford. We'll go ahead and fast forward this so you guys can watch along.
If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and share. Thank you.